Reading Pioneers is proud to present Splish, Splash, Whoosh! Ocean Life, written by Sonia Maria, illustrated by Selfie Sita Butar. Sun, sand, and deep blue sea. 8 quick legs just dashed by me. There is a splash in the ocean and skittering on the shore. Come with me. Let's go explore. Whoosh. Crab. My 8 legs have knees that bend to the side. That's why I scuttle sideways. I have 2 big claws that I use to pinch strangers on my grumpy days. Snip, snip, whoosh. Starfish. I have tiny eyes on the tips of my arms and many small legs beneath. I move around to find my meal, then take my time to eat. Yum, yum, whoosh! Hermit crab. I borrow my home from shells I find. Plain or fancy? I don't mind. And when I'm too big for this cozy home, I'll borrow the next, and away I will roam. Knock, knock, whoosh. Turtle. I bury my eggs in the warm sand on shore to hatch baby turtles. 100 or more. They push out of the sand and rush down to the sea. They're tiny, adorable versions of me. Pitter patter, whoosh! Seahorse. I swim with fins and breathe through gills. I slurp my food. It's such a thrill. I use my tail to hold on tight and can change my colors from dull to bright. Slurp, slurp, whoosh. Octopus. I'm made mostly of muscles, and so I am strong. My 8 arms have suckers that can hold on for long. I'm fast and flexible, smart as can be. I'll squirt you with ink if you try to catch me. Squirt, squirt, whoosh! Jellyfish. I float with grace in my own ballet. My sting will hurt. Please stay away. Jiggle, jiggle, whoosh. Lobster. Crab is my cousin, but how can that be? His 8 legs and 2 claws look nothing like me. My body is longer and orangey red. I know I'm the favorite, or so it's been said. Snap, snap, whoosh! Clownfish. I'm orange and white, all day and all night. Some of my cousins are not. Come visit again. I'm easy to find. I hide in this very same spot. Peekaboo! Whoosh! School of Fish. We swim in a school with no teachers or class. It helps keep us safe, as our numbers are vast. Ring, ring, whoosh! Parrotfish. I munch and crunch on the coral. My teeth make this easy to do. It goes down to my tummy And this is quite funny. From there, it becomes Sunday Poo. Crunch, crunch, whoosh. Angelfish. The spike on my head is just splendid. My colors are vibrant, it's true. Some say that I'm striking. That's much to my liking. I think that I'm quite special too. Blink, blink, whoosh. Flying fish. I shoot out of the waves when there's danger below and glide through the air in an impressive show. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Shark. I hunt for food. I'm not afraid. I'm fast and bold. That's how I'm made. Chomp, chomp, whoosh. Manta ray. I glide through the water with a swift, gentle grace. Some use my wide fins as a sheltering place. Flap, flap, whoosh. Dolphin! I like to play and chatter. What else is there to do? Come play with me, and you will see that you will like it too. Chatter, chatter, whoosh! Blue whale. The elephant is massive, the largest on the land. But I'm as big as 30 elephants. Now, isn't that just grand? Swish, swish, whoosh. Splish, splash. Back to shore. Come again, and let's explore. Whoosh. Thank you, pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Splish, Splash, Whoosh, Ocean Life by Sonia Maria. This book was so fun to read with the onomatopoeias and cool information about each of these sea animals. To help support Sonia, this book is available as a Kindle ebook on Amazon for you to check out, other reviews, and even purchase a copy for yourself or a loved one. If you'd like to leave a review of the book as well, it would really be appreciated by Sonia and myself to know that you read it. Sonia also has an amazing website, roadreefpress.com, for you to learn more about her cause and other amazing children's books. I'm so thankful that Sonia contacted me to read this book with you today. If you have a book you'd like to be read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. It would also be very helpful if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to stay tuned with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today. So remember to visit Amazon and get a copy of this book for your home library. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today. Until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.